I want to show you this 14-inch basket. So they call it the bathroom basket. These does have this 3 compartments with the dividers are removable. But will fit 1 roll of toilet paper here in the middle. If you do want to use this for the back of toilet tank, it is perfect for that. But also you can use it for any other home decor too. It could work in the living room, kitchen, put it in the kitchen countertops. You could use it for some stuff to just help your cooking space there. But yeah, here's a good look at it. It is available in a few other colors. But yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.